Hey, today I'm working on a 2001 Chevy Malibu. On a previous video, I had changed out the PCV valve, and in doing so, when I removed this L boot here on the hose, it had a hairline crack in it. So I ordered a new part. It comes as one piece. I got it on Amazon for just under $11. That's the part. It's a GM part. So today I'm going to change out this whole tube, and this way no unintended air will get sucked in through that crack. So let's get started. I'm just going to use a 10mm socket and ratchet just to take out these two screws, these two long bolts. First we're just going to remove this hose to get it out of the way. You just basically pull up, and now I'll start unscrewing these. Okay, I have the two bolts out. Remove this hose just to get it out of the way. Now, if you follow the hose that we're replacing all the way to the end, it has a U-shaped loop on it, and where it connects, you want to just use a small screwdriver and just remove the edging from it so you can slide it off. And that's basically what I just did. Just use the end of the screwdriver, just slide the hose, the U-end connect, and it'll come right off that piece. And then underneath that plate where we removed the two bolts, you just want to pull up on that center piece of the hose, and it'll come right out. And then you just got to feed that U-end through here to take it out and snake it out that way. Okay, the one on the left is the old part that I just took out. The one on the right is the new part. Just want to line them up, make sure they look the same. This is the one that had the hairline crack in it, and they look good, so we'll put this new one in now. Where the old center of the old hose connected, there's a lot of buildup right around here, so what I'm going to do is put a piece of toweling in the hole and then just wipe around the edge just to clean it off a bit. Put the toweling in the hole, and now I'm just going to take another piece of toweling and just wipe the edge all around just to clean it off as best I can. And then I'll go around to the other side and do it as well. Okay, that's cleaned off better than it was. So now we're going to take our new part, feed it through here, and you just got to jimmy it underneath the wiring harness. You could take the harness off, but then I always disconnect the negative battery terminal, but it's not that difficult to get it through here. And then you just want to line up that center piece, and we're going to plug the center piece in first, and then connect both ends after that. Okay, that center piece went in nice and easy, right in here. So now I'm going to connect the PVC end, or the PCV end, sorry. Just push that down. It's nice and snug. And then we'll go over here to the U-shaped end, and we'll just slide the end on to that piece right there. And just make sure it's nice and snug. I'm going to have to move around to the side. You just want to make sure you get that end up as far as you can. We have to tighten down these two bolts. So that hose is all connected. So put one bolt back on, Now just tightening down the second bolt. Whoops. Just want to make sure it's snug. Now we're just going to reconnect this hose here. Just push down. Make sure it's seated properly and all the way down. Just take a look at everything. Make sure everything's connected. Bolts are in, hoses on, both ends of the new tube are on. And we are good to go. So just think this part only cost just under $11 on Amazon. Only about a 10 or 15 minute job, if that. So you can do it yourself and save yourself some money, keep the money in your pocket. Hope this helps somebody out there. If it did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks again. See you on the next video.